LaLiLu, what are you watching? Those are miniatures! I have an idea! What is it, Lali? Let's make a rhinestone miniature! Let's do it! Now let's pick the first character. Who will it be? Lily! Hi, everyone! Now it's my turn to spin. And it's Rumi! Amazing! Let's run to the craft room. Woohoo! Girls, look, we're having a pajama party! Oh, wow, I love pajama parties! But you need pajamas. Let's start with you, Lali. Look, I found pink fabric. And I found this one. Lali is gonna love it. Thanks, girls. That's exactly what we need. Okay, we need our patterns. Lay out the templates. Trace them. And cut out all the pajama pieces. This is so nice. Oh, I think this is yours, LaLiLu. Thanks. Sew the pant legs inside out. Join them, turn them out. And now we can try them on. I hope you like them, Lali. Ta-da! Oh, we're not done yet. Now try the top. Your pajamas are ready, Lali. Oh my gosh, I love them. This is everything. But you forgot one thing, your favorite rhinestones. Decorate Lali's pajamas with little hearts. I'm absolutely obsessed. Lali, look what I found. Wow! Easy, easy, Lali. It's just rhinestones. And a bow for the waist. LaLiLu, the shoes really don't work with this. Here are your fluffy slippers. These are so cute. Now just put on your sleep mask. Girls, check out my pajamas. They're adorable, Lali. Your turn now, girls. Oh, cool. But where do we change? We have a changing screen. Almost ready. Me too. Just a little more. Ta-da! I love Barbie pink with rhinestones. And my colors are purple and black with a star. Girls, we're ready. Let's get this party started. Welcome to my room. What a huge mirror. I want to see my pajamas. Race ya? Me first, me first. No, me. We look so gorgeous. Just look at us. You can say that again. So what if you got there first? I have another mirror. You two can look as long as you want. Why didn't you say so sooner? I have a super idea. Let's do a fashion show. Our runway is open. First up, Lali. And I'm Rumi, a born model.
Yay!
Thank you. We're total superstars. Oh yeah. Girls, we are the best. Rumi, Lali, and Lily, the ultimate trio. That was so amazing. We had the best time. Girls, I have another idea. Let's sing. Yay, I love singing. Yes, let's. Oops. I sat on the Mystery Dumpling, and I stepped on the Needoh. I'm so sorry. What? Oh no, that's my favorite collection. What am I gonna do? Lali, I'm so sorry. We could try to fix them if you want. Super LaLiLu to the rescue. I accidentally sat on the Mystery Dumpling. No need to panic. Super LaLiLu will fix everything. Super LaLiLu is on the case. We'll need rhinestones and a nano tape. Cut a small square of nano tape and cover it with rhinestones using a tool. Make several pieces like this and fold them into a cube. Fill it with slime and close it up. Such a soft and satisfying Needoh. Now let's package it. This will be a surprise for Lali. Now for the Mystery Dumpling. Knead the air dry clay really well. Roll a ball and shape it into a little dumpling. Stick bead eyes on. Something's missing. A rhinestone smile. Oh, such a cutie. More and more gems. Take sparkly rhinestones and decorate our squishy. Lali is gonna love this. We pop it in a little box. Seal it with a label. All done. Super LaLiLu is bringing Lali's toys back. And here are your gifts, Lali. Oh my gosh, these are for me? What are they? Thank you, LaLiLu. You really saved us. Is this a brand new Needoh and Mystery Dumpling? Let me see. Oops. Wow, this one is an incredibly rare one. The rarest Mystery Dumpling in the entire world. Can I squish it too? Yes, but me first. Lali, open the Needoh quick. Here, I'll hold your squishy. Oh wow, it's a rhinestone Needoh. This is the best stress toy of my life. A rhinestone Needoh is every girl's dream. I'm so glad you love everything, Lali. Yes, these are 100 times better than before. Thank you, LaLiLu. Oh, what's going on here? Oh, that's Lali's makeup. We urgently need to make her a makeup bag. There, and here's the template. Trace the diamond cardboard shape onto a pink foam sheet. and cut out our piece. Score shallow cuts along the fold lines. And assemble our diamond. Hot glue it together. Close the bottom. Final touches, a bead handle and rhinestones for decoration. The makeup bag is done. Now let's pack all the scattered makeup inside. So much stuff. My makeup is missing and we have our beauty segment right now. Calm down, Lali. Here's all your makeup. I just packed it into a brand new bag. Oh, thank goodness I'm saved. Thank you, LaLiLu. You're the best. Girls, look what I have. Wow, what is this gorgeous thing? It's the makeup for our beauty routine. This is our favorite part of every party. Let's see what we've got in here. Let me look. Wow, so much makeup. What a stunning lipstick. Applying blush. Sparkly eyeshadow. You can never have too much makeup. Just wow. That slaps. Slaying. Girls, look how beautiful my makeup bag is. It really is so amazing. And it's pink. Dazzling. What do we do? Don't panic, girls. I'll fix everything. I just need to find my glue gun. Where did I put it? Maybe there. Not here either. Oh, fine. I'll ask LaLiLu. LaLiLu, so, there's something I need. What exactly? I need the glue gun. Why do you need it, Lali? Nothing special. Just need to craft something. Okay, I'll get it done. Thank you. Take a pink glue stick. Cut 3 pieces of different lengths. Hot glue them together. That's the glue gun frame. Take apart a ballpoint pen. Cut a small piece of the ink tube and insert it into the frame. Now cut off the pen tip and attach it to the other side. Oh, pretty close. I have some rhinestone fabric. Cut a strip and wrap our mini glue gun with it. Sparkling! We also need a paper clip. Cut a small piece and attach it as a stand. Lali is gonna love this pink rhinestone glue gun. Here you go, Lali, all ready. Wow, it's so beautiful. Anytime, Lali. All covered in gems, amazing. Yes, now I have the coolest glue gun ever. Where's the makeup bag, girls? Oh, here it is. Let me fix this now. Oh, I'm so scared to watch. You've got this, Lali. Gluing here and a little more right here. Thanks, Lily. Carefully now. I need some water. Here you go, Lali. Thanks. And the final touch. Done! Yay! I knew you could do it. The makeup bag is saved. Can you glue my little box and my bag with a tool like this? It's easy. There. And done. Thank you, Lali. Anytime, girls. My unicorn's horn fell off, and my avocado's bow came loose. Say no more. Lali's on it. There. All fixed. You're an absolute wizard. So glad I could help, girls. Oh no, my slippers! LaLiLu, look what happened! They're covered in glue! There's always a solution. We can craft new ones. Let's go. Trace Lali's foot on foam and cut out 2 insoles.
Wow.
Attach the top and add little ears. Now let's decorate. I brought rhinestones like this. Look what glamorous slippers we made. Let's add some pink rhinestones too. They look so cute. Wow, I love them so much. This is everything. I'm running. Girls, check out my new slippers. Wow, pure luxury. Oh my gosh, they're so sparkly. Good thing I brought my sunglasses. Now we can actually see them. I'm tired of standing like this. I need to test them. Introducing Lali and her brand new slippers. Wow, Lali, what grace. You're a true model. And now, game time. Unroll tape, stick another piece right next to it, overlapping slightly. Now grab some glitter. Cover all the tape in sparkles. Spread them evenly across the surface. Seal it with tape on top and trim off the excess. Our sparkly twister mat is ready. Instead of circles, we'll use gems. Lay out colorful diamonds in alternating colors. Take sparkly foam and glue on the logo. Mark the sections, add dividers, and a big sparkly arrow. And there's our diamond-style twister. Let's bring it to the girls. Girls, I have something for you. Oh my gosh, Twister! I love this game. Oh wow, Twister is my absolute fave. Lali, come on, set it up. Girls, what do you think? Wow, diamonds instead of circles. Let's play right now. Okay, let's start with Rumi. Left hand on pink. Lily, right foot on blue. Got it, Lali. Holding, done. Rumi, right hand, yellow. Oh my gosh. Lily, left foot on pink. I need to keep my balance. Lily, diamond. I had no idea this was so hard. We can barely hold on here. I am joining you. think we're about to fall. Oops! Twister is actually so much fun. Girls, I have a great idea. What is it? Tell us. Let's make face masks. I'm going for the gems. Now, where are they? Oh, not here either. Oh no, I'm completely out of rhinestones. It's a disaster. What happened, Lali? All my rhinestones are gone. Don't stress, Lali. I think we'll find something in my workshop. Amazing. Let's go. So you'll help me? Of course, Lali. Anything for you. Then I'm going. Wait, what now? Hold on, I need to take your measurements. We hold the foam sheet up to your face and draw the mask outline. I think that came out perfectly. Okay, I really need to run. And we cut out the mask. Then glue on different gems. One for Lali and others for the girls. Wow, so beautiful. Here you go, everyone. Yay, time to relax. Get comfortable. Relax. Put on your masks. Some music to set the mood. Head massage. Total relaxation. I can't just lie here. LaLiLu, I just thought of something. I have so many ideas. Lali, hold on, take a breath. You need to rest. But I don't want to sleep. Then we'll use some Lali magic. Subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye, everyone.